If you're hunting for wireless earbuds that deliver crisp audio, long battery life, and a snug fit without emptying your wallet, the Sanag S6s might be your next go-to. I'll walk you through my first-hand impressions, covering everything from the sleek design to the audio performance and overall functionality. So the question is, does this headphone delivers? Let's find out. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and updates. Unboxing the S6s feels like unwrapping a premium gadget without the premium price tag. The sleek, compact box slides open to reveal the glossy charging case, which cradles the earbuds snugly in their slots, giving off a minimalist yet polished vibe. Inside, Sanag includes all the essentials: a handy USB-C cable, no wireless charging, but let's be real. At this price, it's expected, and a straightforward quick start guide. Right off the bat, the case impresses. It's feather-light, yet reassuringly sturdy, with a soft touch matte coating that repels smudges and slips easily into pockets. As for the earbuds, their short-stemmed, low-profile design and textured silicone finish scream "I won't fall out mid-squat," perfect for gym rats and commuters alike. When it comes to design, the Sanag S6s masters comfort through its thoughtful open-ear configuration. The angled nozzles rest gently against your ears without intrusive pressure, eliminating fatigue during marathon listening sessions. Each bud weighs a mere 4 grams, creating an almost weightless sensation that disappears during use, while the IPX4 rated build confidently withstands sweaty workouts and unexpected rain showers on your daily travels. The responsive touch controls handle playback, track skipping, and calls with ease, though their sensitivity comes with a slight learning curve. An accidental touch might unexpectedly cut off your music until you get used to their touch zones. The S6s offers sound quality that exceeds expectations for its price point, thanks to its 10mm dynamic drivers. You get decent bass that avoids moodiness, though don't expect earth-shaking depth, along with crisp mids that shine for vocals and podcasts. The highs are serviceable, if a bit restrained. Classical listeners may miss some airiness, but the app's EQ helps fine-tune it. Compared to premium options like the Huawei FreeClip, the S6s falls short in sheer volume and refinement, but for casual listening and everyday calls, it holds its own. Speaking of calls, the mics do a respectable job outdoors, cutting just enough background noise to keep your voice clear without requiring raised volume. Now, let's put it to the test. Listen closely to this sample and tell me in the comments, how well do you think it handles interruptions? I'd love to hear your thoughts.
Hello, sound check. Mic test, mic test. So this is the microphone of the Sanag S6s. Alright? So guys, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Again, mic test. And I'm here in my pantry. There is some background noises here. So what do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comment below. Alright?
The S6s delivers respectable battery performance that easily handles daily use, offering 7.5 hours of continuous playback from the earbuds themselves, extending to an impressive 45 hours total when combined with the charging case's additional 38 hours of reserve power. You'll appreciate the reliable Bluetooth 5.3 connection that maintains stable audio within a 10-meter range with virtually no lag during video playback. When you're in a pinch, the fast charging capability comes to the rescue, delivering an hour of playtime from just 10 minutes in the case. The companion Sanag app, available for both iOS and Android, sweetens the deal with 6 customizable EQ presets, including specialized modes for stereo, rock, pop, and gaming. The intuitive touch controls complete the package. A single tap handles play, short pause, while double taps skip tracks, making this an exceptionally well-rounded offering considering its affordable price point. Now here is my final verdict. The Sanag S6s delivers impressive value at under $30, serving up rich audio, a feather-light fit with IPX4 sweat resistance for workouts, and surprisingly robust app customization, rare for budget buds. The trade-offs? Minimal noise isolation, thanks to the open design, no wireless charging, but for runners, commuters, or anyone wanting great sound without frills, these hit the sweet spot. And right now, they're even sweeter on sale. Grab them before the deal runs out. If you're looking for affordability without compromise, these are an easy recommendation. Alright, that's it for today's review of the Sanag S6s Open-Ear Headphone. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.